We're here at the largest food company in the world, and we're here at their headquarters. And they've asked us to come in and help talk about creativity and innovation, to look at such ways as how to be able to use energy more efficiently, to understand how to help nutrition reach further.
And we're working with one of the teams on a 2-day session on creativity, so helping to look at how to solve problems and to foster a creative thinking environment. Started by looking at what is happening to creativity in their organization, what is hindering creativity, why isn't it flourishing in all areas. And then we moved on and looked at 7 steps that individuals can use to help solve a problem. And these are individuals that are looking at big issues in the world. And so even though they might not have found all the solutions today, this will give them groundwork for the future and for solutions to come.
And they are 3 figures about the sales of chocolate over the last couple of years. The cost is too low. How can we cook without energy? Unless you have a mindset of we can do it, nothing works.
This is the market created in 3 years, 4 years with iPhone and Android. People are talking from an app economy. That's how we can connect these two.
These are the murder weapons. These are the ways in which creativity can be killed.
Well, what's the difference between freedom and independence?
So Massin, why did you choose Tirian to do this program?
Well, we chose Tirian because we were looking for a partner to help us discover creativity, but put it into the context that would be relevant to our company. To find some solutions and some ideas for the emerging consumer. Yeah. So we used the session to deal with how to deliver nutrition to emerging consumers, how to give them more variety within a limited budget, and how to reduce their use of energy. Today we got more than we wanted. It was really, as I said, the context is very important. It's not just brainstorming. Creativity is more than brainstorming. And because we put it into the context of innovation and the company as such, it makes it first more credible, it makes it more actionable for us, and it also makes it more comfortable working with it, rather than just putting people in a creative session asking them for crazy ideas.
This organization is proactively looking at how it can do that in a better way, more environmental way, and also looking after the resources on this planet. And so even though it's just a small step as to what they will do on the bigger scale, they're not going to stop. They're going to keep looking for solutions.